Adding a water cooler to your TIG welder is a great accessory to reduce the size of your torch and keep your torch cool. Here's how you install a cooler in just a few simple steps.
Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
The Coolmate 1S is optimized for use with the Syncrowave 212 and the Multimatic 220. Before you begin installing your cooler, make sure your machine is powered off. Next, hook up your water lines from your torch. Attach the inlet and outlet hoses to the respective ports on both the cooler and the TIG torch. Ensure the fittings are tight to avoid leaks. After the water lines are connected, install your DINS connector to the proper receptacle on the front of the machine. It's time to add coolant. Use the recommended Miller low conductivity coolant for your system, filling the reservoir until it's at the proper level. The Coolmate 1S has a 1 gallon tank capacity. The Syncrowave 212 is designed to power the Coolmate 1S with the provided power cord. If the Coolmate 1S is paired with the Multimatic 220, it will need to be plugged into the wall. Finally, power up the cooler and check for proper coolant circulation. When the Coolmate 1S is paired with the Syncrowave 212, you can choose between off, continuous run or on, or auto. With the water cooler properly hooked up, you're ready to weld.